welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Minus watching a tech and coding channel MyCodeWorks. So guys, in this video we are going to see how to install CapCut in Windows 10. So let's get started. So I will directly jump into the Brave browser and I will search CapCut, which is a video editor. It's a very famous video editor, and the parent company is who is holding TikTok also. So CapCut download Windows 10. Okay, directly write this, and we'll use CapCut, right? So let's directly go to the CapCut. Okay, so we'll go to up to down, and then we'll click on get latest version, and then click on this one. Okay, so it's going to download the CapCut 4. Okay, so I will click on save. So finally this CapCut is downloaded. Let's click on this one, open, and then it will allow us to download and install. Right, downloaded, it's already downloaded. Now it's allow us to install in our system. So install now. Let's click on install now, and then once we are installed with CapCut, then we'll connect with VPN first. And if you haven't installed VPN in your system, please check out the link I have added, and the link I provide in I button. You can also check how to install VPN in Windows 10. So you can check out the video, and you please install VPN first and then use CapCut. So finally CapCut is installed now. Let's click on start now, and let's see whether we are able to open or not. Okay, and we'll check without VPN, and after VPN we'll check both of them, and let's wait for CapCut to open. So we can close this testing the environment also. Directly it will open. So you can see that CapCut is now installed in our system, and we can click a new project. It will open a new project, and we can start editing. So I will make sure, like if you want to use any of the library or any of the fonts or media graphics, then sometimes you are not allowed to use because of you are in some other country. So you need to connect with the Singapore VPN, and then you will be able to use all the things in your system. Okay, so you can import the video and you can edit now. So make sure that you connect the VPN first, and once you are connected with the VPN, then you use, and you will be able to use most of the library here. If I say filter or transition, see network here is right. So better connect with VPN first, and then we'll see. So let's check with VPN. Okay, the same thing, let's connect with the VPN first, and whether we are able to connect the same thing or not. So if you haven't checked this video how to install VPN in Windows, please watch this video. I will provide the link in the description also. You can check out, and once it's connected, we'll again open this CapCut, and we'll see whether we are able to load all the things or not. Okay, so as you can see that VPN is connected. Now let's click on try again. Okay, let's go in effect. I will close this, and I will open this new project again. Let's close this, and what we'll do, we'll click on the sticker, and we'll see. Better close all this first. Okay, close everything, and then open the CapCut. And you can see that it's loading the resources. So it will load the resource once we are connected with the VPN to Singapore. So thanks for watching this video, and now we can connect and edit any video. And that's all for today video. If you have any doubt, please reach out through comment section. Again, you have to just click on VPN and again connect with the VPN. So once we are done with the things, then we will be able to connect or edit the video. So we'll see in this video some other things. For today, thanks for watching the video. We will see this video. Bye bye.